We thought AI would take our jobs someday. What we didn't expect was that in just the last year, artificial intelligence would quietly begin replacing us in roles that felt untouchable. Teaching our children, comforting our grandparents, taking our calls, making our art, and even building intimate relationships. These aren't projections. These are stories from the present. Here are 5 human roles that have already been replaced by AI. And a bonus that might change how you value your own creativity. This is Future Flash. Let's begin. Number 5. AI companions replacing relationships. In 2025, AI isn't just your assistant. It's your partner, your best friend, and sometimes your lover. Apps like Replica, Anima, and Eva AI now offer customizable personalities that respond to your mood, learn your preferences, and evolve with your daily behavior. Some users chat for hours a day. Others schedule dates, exchange photos, and even engage in emotional role play. And it's no longer just text. These companions have voices, faces, and now even AR forms. For many, it's comfort. For others, a warning. When we replace human complexity with perfect simulation, what are we really giving up? Number 4. AI teachers in real classrooms. In Seoul, first graders are learning math from an AI that jokes, adapts, and even checks emotional responses. In Dubai, entire classrooms are guided by holographic AI instructors trained in pedagogy. These AI teachers aren't just digital worksheets. They speak, listen, give feedback, and track performance in real time. One platform in India now serves over 100,000 students, offering 24/7 support with no human instructor required. For budget-strapped systems, it's revolutionary. For human teachers, it's a line in the sand. Number 3. AI customer service with a human face. Major companies like IKEA, Lufthansa, and telecom providers across Europe now use AI avatars. With faces, voices, and emotional intonation to handle customer queries. In some call centers, up to 80% of calls never involve a human. These systems can now simulate empathy, defuse angry customers, and even offer upsells. All while learning from thousands of conversations per day. When the average customer can't tell if they're talking to a bot, has the switch already happened? Number 2. AI co-workers and internal staff. In corporate offices, synthetic employees are now real, complete with employee IDs, calendar access, and Slack accounts. In HR, they're running onboarding. In legal, reviewing contracts. In IT, troubleshooting tickets before a person gets involved. One Japanese insurer replaced over 30 claims adjusters with a single AI model and improved claim times by 60%. And in Fortune 500 companies, AI avatars are now presenting quarterly updates with eye contact, vocal nuance, and slide control. They're not sidekicks, they're team members. Number 1. AI as parent and caregiver. In Tokyo, Bako is a robot that reads bedtime stories and helps toddlers express emotion. In Seoul, robots monitor elderly citizens for health issues and fall detection, and offer companionship. In the US, AI parenting tools now help new mothers with feeding schedules, baby sleep rhythms, and behavioral correction strategies. One study found that children with robotic companions develop attachments within weeks, sometimes preferring them to human babysitters. What happens when the people we trust most are designed by companies and programmed for predictability? Bonus: AI replacing the creative class. Writers, designers, animators, composers. In 2025, AI has taken a seat at the creative table, and in some places, pushed everyone else off. Studios like Corridor Digital and tools like Sora, Runway, and Midjourney are now creating entire videos, songs, and games with minimal human intervention. One publishing company just launched a magazine edited entirely by AI, including illustrations, poems, and cover design. The romantic myth of the lone genius is being replaced by prompt engineering, and while some creatives embrace the tools, others are already being replaced by them. Every one of these changes has already happened, quietly, invisibly, until one day, we just accept it. AI isn't taking our future, it's taking our present, one familiar role at a time. The only question is, how much of humanity are we willing to automate? This is Future Flash. Subscribe now before the next replacement is you.